everyone, I am Melgin May de Lima, and today I will be demonstrating the functional integration between two Java subsystems, and this was tasked by our instructor for us to do. Now, as you can see, we have here two subsystems, which is the subsystem A and the subsystem B. Now, the subsystem A is the grade calculator where it computes the GPA and academic honors, and also their academic standing. Also, while the subsystem B is the transcript generator that displays formatted academic records. This mimics real university systems where calculation logic is separated from the display interface. Now, in subsystem A, we have two Java classes, which is the course class and the grade calculator class. Now, in course Java class, as you can see, here is it stores course. It has method that stores the code name, units, and grades, which is Kane. Well, it also has a method where it converts numeric grades to letter grades using specific ranges, which is Kane. With the grade calculator class, which is this, we have it. This class provides the business logic as an API. It has methods like calculator, grade calculator, which is this, and the get honor status, get academic standing, and API log system, which is this. Now, this proves when subsystem B calls these methods. Now, to make subsystem A usable by other systems, we should build it into a jar library, which is I already did, but to demonstrate it, we are going to clean and build the subsystem A. Now, let us proceed to the subsystem B. Now, the subsystem B needs to use subsystem A, and I will add the jar file to subsystem B's library. So this jar file from subsystem A that I clean and build kanina is we are going to put it here. So I already did, so mao ni siya. Now, we are going to open the main class, which is the transcript generator class. As you can see, subsystem B imports grade calculator and course from subsystem A, which is Kane, and call methods from subsystem A. And now we are going to run this file, and here it is. Here are the results, and we have a GPA or general weighted average of 1.7386, and it is and their academic standing is Dean's List, and the honors or their honors is the cum laude. Well, it was all computed by subsystem A but displayed by subsystem B. However, this integration has challenges. Changing a method in subsystem A can break subsystem B version management is difficult, or any update requirements rebuilding and redistributing the jar. This mirrors real student systems. University portals call back-end services to calculate grades and honors. Enrollment and scholarship system work similarly. So meaning functional integration allows direct method calls between systems. It's powerful, pero it requires careful management of dependency. And that would be all. Thank you.